If you want to create 3D text in CapCut quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a 3D text effect, customize it, and place it perfectly in your edit without wasting time. This is a great technique for making your videos look more professional, more dynamic, and much more eye-catching. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure you're on the main editing screen. From the top menu, click on the Text option. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text tools, templates, and style options. Once you're in the Text menu, look over to the left sidebar and click on Text Template. This section gives you ready-made text styles, including different animated and stylized looks that can save you a lot of time. Now, browse through the template options until you find a 3D text style you like. When you hover over the template, you'll usually see a download icon appear. Click that download icon first so CapCut can load the template into your project. After that, click the plus icon on the 3D text you want to use. That will add it directly to your timeline. Once the text appears in your timeline, click on it to select it. Then look at the right edit panel. You should see an input box where you can type in the exact text you want displayed. Enter your title, phrase, name, or whatever text you need for your video. This step is important because it replaces the sample text with your own custom wording. After that, it's time to fine-tune the timing. Go to the timeline and adjust the duration of the text layer so it stays on screen for as long as you want. You can drag the ends of the clip to make it longer or shorter, depending on your scene. If the text appears too early or too late, just move it along the timeline until it matches your video perfectly. Next, use the preview player to position the 3D text where it looks best on screen. You can place it near the center, lower third, or anywhere else that fits your layout. Make sure it doesn't block important parts of the video and check that it's easy to read against your background. A small positioning adjustment can make a huge difference in how polished the final result looks. If you want your 3D text to stand out even more, take a moment to preview the full animation and make sure everything flows smoothly. Sometimes just adjusting the duration or placement a little can make the effect feel much cleaner and more professional. That's one of the best parts of using CapCut templates. You get a strong visual result without having to build everything from scratch. And that's it. You've now learned how to create 3D text in CapCut using text templates, customize it with your own words, and adjust the timing and position for a better-looking edit. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.